Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by mounting the phone and balancing the gimbal. This saves motor strain and extends run time. First, attach the phone plate and clamp. Center the phone over the roll axis so it sits neutrally. Once balanced, set the tilt and roll arms so the phone doesn't tip when motors are off. This prevents jerky starts. Make sure the battery is charged above 50% and power on. This ensures stable initialization and faster auto-calibration for smoother shots. Once done connecting to the app, you run calibration so sensors know the phone orientation and gravity. This is why shots stay level. After AutoCal, test follow, pan, and lock modes to see how the gimbal responds to hand movement. Make sure to tweak motor strength and responsiveness to match phone weight and any lens or case. Higher strength prevents drift but uses more battery. Finally, practice switching modes smoothly so you can frame without rebalancing. You finish by rehearsing typical moves: slow pans, gentle tilts, and deliberate transitions between modes to keep footage cinematic. When shooting, use small wrist motions instead of arm swings. This maintains smoothness and reduces motor load. If you need complex moves, enable time-lapse or motion lapse in the app and check battery percentage and temperature often. If the gimbal drifts or jitters, stop, recalibrate, and rebalance. Then check for firmware updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.